If your Ford Ranger is making a strange noise but won't start, the sound is actually your best clue to the fix. Statistically, 85% of no-start conditions accompanied by a clicking sound are caused by simple battery or connection issues. Let's break down exactly what those different noises mean for your truck's health. Before diving in, secure the vehicle and check your battery terminals for any loose connections or heavy corrosion. A rapid clicking sound usually means your starter solenoid is engaging, but the battery doesn't have enough power to turn the engine. If you hear one single loud thud or clunk, your starter motor is likely jammed or has reached the end of its life. Most battery and starter issues can be handled in your driveway, but electrical wiring faults often require a professional. Expect to pay around $150 for a battery, while a starter replacement typically runs closer to $350. If you're stranded, a gentle tap on the starter motor with a hammer can sometimes jar it back to life for one last trip. A basic 10mm wrench and a wire brush are often all you need to solve a messy terminal connection. Always remember that a dirty connection can mimic a dead battery, so clean them before you spend money on new parts. Listen to the noise, check your terminals, and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time.